With Rheem heating, cooling, and water heating equipment used daily in homes and businesses around the globe, customer service takes on a very important role. Rheem assures parts availability and quality through our replacement parts division with 2 modern distribution centers that serve our customers around the world. Our 180,000 square foot facility in Randleman, North Carolina serves the eastern half of the United States, as well as international customers. And our 90,000 square foot facility in Salt Lake City, Utah serves the western half. While primarily designed for warehousing and packaging, our Randleman location houses the general offices for the replacement parts division. In this 2-story facility, human relations, business planning, purchasing, and supply chain logistics are on the first floor. Sales, marketing, engineering, and website development are on the second floor. A dedicated photography studio handles product and parts photography for our catalog, advertising materials, and website. Employee training classes are held here on an ongoing basis, and we maintain a pro-stock store environment for retail training, research, and development. Rheem's Salt Lake City location is predominantly a distribution and packaging facility, but can also support essential business functions. A modern conference room welcomes customers and vendors for meetings and presentations, and also functions as a classroom for employee training. Together, our 2 distribution centers process more than 5 million replacement parts each year. Parts are expedited to a broad range of Rheem customers that includes retailers, Rheem wholesalers, and service contractors, as well as wholesale distributors carrying multiple brands and consumers. Our inventory consists of top-quality parts and products sourced from more than 350 suppliers. In addition to original equipment manufacturers' parts, our accessory and aftermarket suppliers offer a wide selection of aftermarket parts for HVAC and tank or tankless water heater parts. From receiving to package assembly to shipping, the replacement parts distribution centers are designed for uncompromised customer service. These facilities allow us to deliver the more than 16,000 quality products offered in our printed catalog and through our website. We also create spring and fall brochures to drive seasonal sales. Customers can easily download product information from our Rheem Replacement Parts website, which is updated daily. Customers can also look up service parts by model and serial number. They also have access to a comprehensive library of product spec sheets, installation guides, and instruction manuals. Customers can also access our marketing website for templates to create customized marketing materials, as well as order pre-printed literature and point-of-purchase materials to support their advertising efforts. Customer orders are received by phone, fax, email, and electronic data interchange, or submitted directly through our iStore portal. In each case, they process through our Oracle Order Management System. In addition, we conduct consumer e-commerce by way of credit card call-in orders or through incoming website orders. Requests for same-day air shipments are processed every 15 minutes. Standard ground orders are batched nightly and consolidated for shipping efficiency. Orders are processed within 24 hours. Now let's move on to our warehouse operation to see how parts are received, packaged, and shipped to our Rheem customers. Every day, 6 to 10 tractor trailers deliver 30,000 parts and components loaded on 145 pallets to our distribution centers. We utilize radio frequency handheld scanners to process the receipt of every incoming shipment. Parts that arrive prepackaged and labeled go directly to sellable inventory, where they're scanned and placed into inventory locations. Unpackaged bulk parts go to the packaging department, where they're prepared for sellable inventory. Covering 37,000 square feet, the packaging department is the largest production area at both our Randleman and Salt Lake City distribution centers. Here, through a combination of 21 workstations, parts are labeled, blister packed, boxed, skin packaged, cased, and barcoded. We package over 8,000 products a day, including private label branding for Everbuild, Gemtech, and Mainline. Many parts from our suppliers arrive in bulk, ready for branded packaging. Items sold at retail or through our wholesale customers are likely to be packaged by one of our blister machines. For private label brands, parts are packaged according to their brand guidelines and labeled for easy identification. Instructions are included for do-it-yourself success. These lines can easily blister pack 12,000 items in a single 8-hour shift. Finished batches of blister-packed products are put into case quantities and sent to an inventory location. Certain electronic parts, such as circuit board chips for Rheem tankless water heaters, need to be programmed and labeled prior to packaging. Larger replacement parts, such as blower wheels and compressors, are boxed and labeled on one of our large automated packaging lines. Parts and boxes come together automatically, and package labeling is applied as the final step of the process. The high productivity of this line at both our Randleman and Salt Lake City centers allows us to package 450 compressors or 1,000 blower wheels in an 8-hour shift. Boxed parts are put on pallets, scanned, and moved to an inventory location. All of our packaging lines, labeling, blister packing, and boxing are carefully monitored for accuracy and quality. That's critical because their output becomes our inventory, ready for the next customer order. When an order is entered, our shipping process takes over. This is the fulfillment step, where over 23,000 individual parts per day are picked, packed, and sent to their destination via truck or parcel carrier. The physical size of the order determines the shipping path. LTL, less than truckload, for large heavy shipments, or parcel carrier for smaller packages. Working with a handheld touchscreen, LTL, or less than truckload, pickers collect one order at a time, picking items from inventory shelves. Picking personnel assemble the order on pallets, making sure all parts and quantities are correct. Once the order is scanned as complete, the LTL pallet moves to the loading dock where it's wrapped for shipping. Detailed shipping labels are printed and applied, along with any required warning labels, and the pallet is inspected, scanned, and loaded to its assigned trailer. For parcel shipments, pickers collect parts for up to a dozen orders at a time. The handheld touchscreen scanner guides them from location to location, saving trips and time. Once the selection process is complete, pickers deliver the orders to a specific pack station. Ordered parts are placed in envelopes or boxes with careful attention to proper packing for safe, secure shipping. A shipping label is applied, and the package is sent down the conveyor to the carrier's trailer. Whether it's an order for one part or thousands, Rheem's Replacement Parts Division uses the latest technology to distribute parts quickly and accurately across the country and around the world. We're proud that customers can count on the Replacement Parts Division to keep their equipment and their business operating at peak performance.